Hello everyone, welcome back to another Walking with My Ma. Alright, I give you 3 guesses of where we are right now. And let's see how fast you can get it. There's Ma, in her Canada outfit. Say hi.
Hello.
Don't forget, at any time during this video, you can actually hit pause and still look around. So give that a try. See how cool that is? You can just pause it and still look around. But yeah, we're gonna go and find out where we are. If you figure it out, put a comment in the comments area.
Going down there?
Nope.
Yeah.
Hey, you laughing?
Does it look like you were going down there?
No, I'm just staying away from the crowds. What do you think?
Too close.
You'd be shocked to see how not close that was.
History of White Rock. Oh my goodness, it's hard to read. See, it did get its name from the big rock.
There you go. Where are you going? No, that was placed there by human beings.
Why?
fun. So what do you think of the big white rock?
It's amazing. Losing some of its white.
Yeah.
Huh. Pretty cool.
Well, there you go. Now you know we're in White Rock.
Go back and walk down the pier?
Yeah.
All right, let's do that.
So, guys, like and subscribe, and you'll get to see the next part of our adventure, which is walking along that huge pier on the other side there. All right, thanks for joining us. Bye.
Bye.